Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful Christmas backdrop very easily at home. All you need for this decoration is crepe paper, and within minutes you can make this decoration very easily at home. You can use this decoration as a Christmas decoration, but you can also use this decoration for Valentine, anniversary, surprise party, a birthday party, or any other event. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my new uploads. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For this decoration we will be needing red color crepe paper and a few pieces of red color A4 size paper. The first thing that we'll do is we'll take the crepe paper and we'll take 1 meter in length and 16 centimeter in width. After we got our piece of crepe paper, at a distance of 6 centimeter from this edge, we'll hold this crepe paper like this and we'll try to fold a line which will be like this. And we'll try to make this line fold diagonally like this. That's the same that we are going to do on this side. On 6 centimeters, we will hold the crepe paper like this and we'll try to make a fold a bit diagonal like this. We will bring these two pieces together like so. Now on 3 centimeters from the edge, we'll do the same thing. We'll try to make a crease and bring it to this fold line in the middle that we have here. We'll try to bring this one here as well. Same that we are going to do on this side on 3 centimeters. We'll pick up the crepe paper and we'll try to make a diagonal crease like this. Like this. Here we are going to put a piece of tape and secure it like this. On the front side we will pick it up, turn it over, and on the back side as well we'll place a piece of tape. That's exactly the same what I'll be doing with the other piece crepe paper that we have. Next we'll take 2 small pieces of crepe paper. Each piece will be 15 by 16 centimeters. We will place these 2 pieces on top each other like this. And from this edge, with our 2 pointing fingers, we'll bring the crepe paper from above closer to our thumbs. We'll make small folds and we'll bring it closer. In the middle, we'll put a small piece of tape. We are going to open up the edges so that our ribbon looks beautiful and catches its shape. We will take a small piece of crepe paper of 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters. On half centimeter, we will fold the 2 edges like this for inside. We will place this in the middle of this ribbon. Like this, and on the back side we are going to secure it with a piece of tape. Like this we are going to make 2 ribbons. Next we are going to take the red A4 size paper that we have. We will fold it in half lengthwise Then we will take this paper and we will fold one side like this and the other side. Divide this paper in 3 parts like this. After we have done so, we'll take any circular object and we will make a circle on this. Next we will cut it out. With this A4 size paper that we just had, we made 6 circles like this. Depending on the space that you want to cover, you'll be needing more or less circles. Next we'll take our crepe paper and we will make strings of them. And our strings will be 2 centimeters in width and 60 centimeters in length. Next we'll take one other piece of red paper. We will fold it in half like this. We will fold it in half again. We are going to cut this paper like this, diagonally till here. I'm going to cut from here. And I won't cut straight. I'll go a bit for middle, but not totally till the middle, like this. That's the same that I'll be doing on the other side. I'll leave 1.5 centimeters and I'll cut it the same way. I won't cut straight, I'll go diagonal like this. Next we are going to make one cut like this to half and one other cut like this. Next we'll take the first decoration that we made, one piece we'll take of it, and we will go to the wall and we will hang it up. I have placed double-sided tape on the back side of it and I'm going to place it like this. I'm going to paste it here and I'm going to use double-sided tape on the other side as well. Next we'll take the second piece that we made in the starting, the first decoration piece, and we will hang it like this. Next we'll take our piece of ribbon that we have. We'll put double-sided tape on it. We'll paste this like this. Next we have these 2 pieces that we made. We will put a piece of double-sided tape on the back side of each of them. And we will place this under the ribbon. Next we'll take our strings that we have. We'll paste this like this under this that we have here. Under this ribbon we'll paste it like this. Next we'll take our circles and on the back side we'll put double-sided tape and we will hang these balls under the strings in one line. Next we'll take white crepe paper. I'll cut the strip out of it. I will be needing 8 strips like this. We will take 1 strip and we will make cuts of 1 centimeter deep, and our cuts will be after each half centimeter, and that's the same way we are going to turn it over, and the same way we'll make cuts on the other side as well. And the same way we are going to cut all the crepe paper. Next we will take our white strings that we just made and we will hang these in the middle, in between of the lines. After we have hung the white pieces, we will turn the white pieces, all the white pieces that we have, we will turn them for the left side for 7 times. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party ideas to make your occasion special.